Hey guys, we have another great product to review. It's a hair dryer.
Yeah, made by Berta.
Berta.
1875 watts. This hair dryer is powerful. Go ahead and open it up. So it has 3 different heat settings and 2 power settings.
Ah, this is pretty.
And the extension cord is 2 meters, little more than 2 meters long, which is like 6 feet.
There we go.
Ooh,
This
check
is nice.
that out. So not only is it powerful, but it's good looking. Check out the hot pink, and yeah.
Pink color. And
That's a lot of wattage. It's gonna have a lot of power. And it has one like cool setting. You don't have to have heat if you want a cool setting. That's a concentrator. Help dry certain spots of your hair more quickly. Quicklier.
There we go.
Wow, look at that. All right, tell you what. Why don't you go get your hair washed, and best way to check out the hair dryer is to
Try them out.
try it out yourself. All right. Okay, our lovely model just got out of the shower. Her hair is wet, and she's gonna try the Berta hair dryer for the very first time. Go ahead and power it on. And there we go. So how'd you like it?
Good.
Yeah, it seemed power. I could feel the heat over here. It seemed plenty power.
Yeah. My hair is really thick though.
And you have a lot of hair.
Yeah. But look at it's dry here.
Yeah, it did the job. So there you have it. Berta. Great hair dryer. We will put a link below, and go check it out on Amazon.
Thanks for watching. Give some Bert.